Welcome to San Bernardino, a city known for its rugged topography and breathtaking views. Today, we invite you to take a closer look at a unique and inspiring home, the Horizon House. The design of this house aims to intervene as little as possible with the land. Made almost entirely of concrete, the house appears to float above the ground. The downhill topography of the land slopes diagonally, allowing the house to be buried in one corner while the pool is laid in the other corner. Built on a land with privileged views, the Horizon House is designed with a primary focus on enhancing the most captivating aspect of its location, the horizon. This home consists of two parallel horizontal concrete slabs connected by 4 columns at one level, forming a strict grid of 9 modules, each measuring 4.33 meters. The green roof not only reinforces thermal insulation, but also creates a new space that acts as a lookout, exploiting the spectacular views the site offers. Imagine a tic-tac-toe game with a 13 by 13 meter square. The only unalterable module is the one in the center, where the kitchen resides, the meeting space around food. The other modules are modifiable, allowing spaces to be assembled, disassembled, and reassembled as needed. The living room can transform into the studio and vice versa, all depending on the moment's requirements. This structured and modular formation is wrapped in vertical planes that allow the house to be dressed and undressed. It provides shelter while opening and closing towards the outside, reimagining the concept of the 360 degrees gallery, or jeré corridor, typical in Paraguayan culture. This semi-burial of the house allows the passerby's perspective on the street to be respected, providing visual continuity. The view is democratized, belonging to no one but everyone. We do not own it, we simply admire it together. This is Horizon House, a masterpiece by Bowen, offering more than just a place to live. It's a living experience that blends with nature and culture. Thank you for joining this home tour. See you in the next home design inspiration.